Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study 101 binary to decimal conversion. So let us understand the procedure for converting binary to decimal in the form of steps. Step 1, multiply each digit of a given binary number by its positional weight. Step 2, add all the products. Now let us come back to the given example. So here 3 bits are present in the given binary number whose positional weight of the rightmost bit is 0, 1, 2. So here this bit number 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 2. Next is 0 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 1. And the rightmost bit is 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 0. We have multiplied each digit of a given binary number by its positional weight. Step 2 says add all the products. We are going to add all of these products. Further, we are going to simplify 2 to the power 2. That is 2 is to be multiplied twice. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Plus 0 into anything will become 0. This plus as it is. Next 2 to the power 0. Anything raised to 0 will become 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. So here 4 plus 1 it will become 5. Therefore 101 to the base 2 is equal to 5 to the base 10.